In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to join Dropbox. So you're looking to share the convenience and versatility of Dropbox with someone. Maybe you want to collaborate on a work project, share family photos, or just make sure your friends have access to some important documents. Whatever the reason, inviting them to join Dropbox is a smooth and straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through each step. First things first, you need to navigate to Dropbox.com. This is the gateway to all things Dropbox, a central hub where you can access your files, share documents, and of course, invite friends to join the party. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a variety of options, but for now, just focus on finding and clicking on the Login button. This is your next step towards sharing the Dropbox experience. If you've already got a Dropbox account, you're one step ahead. For a quick login, click on Continue with Google. This option lets you bypass the traditional login steps if your Dropbox account is linked to your Google account. It's fast, it's simple, and it means you're almost ready to start inviting. Now let's move to where your files live. Navigate to Files Dropbox from the main menu. This area is like the command center for your Dropbox account. It's where all your uploaded files and folders reside, waiting to be organized, shared, or collaborated on. But don't get distracted by your files just yet. We've got inviting to do. Next up, click on Settings. This might seem like a minor step, but it's actually leading you towards the portal where all the inviting magic happens. In Settings, you'll find a wealth of options to customize your Dropbox experience, secure your account, and crucially, to invite friends. Look for the Refer a Friend option within the settings. This is where Dropbox allows you to bring new users into the fold, and where you'll begin the process of inviting someone. Clicking Refer a Friend opens up the opportunities, not just for your friends to get more storage space, but often for you as well, thanks to Dropbox's referral benefits. Now, for the actual invite, you'll see an option to copy a referral link. This is essentially your golden ticket to share Dropbox. Hitting copy grabs the link to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted into an email, a message, a social media post, or wherever you communicate with your friends. It's flexible, it's convenient, and it allows your friends to join Dropbox in just a few clicks, and there you have it. That's how you invite someone to join Dropbox. A simple copy and paste of a link, and you're ready to share the powerhouse of file sharing and storage that is Dropbox. But before you go invite crazy, here are a few tips to remember. First, always let your friends know why you're inviting them, whether it's for a collaborative project, sharing important documents, or just for the convenience of having all your files in one place. Giving them a context can make them more inclined to join. Second, remember the benefits. Remind your friends and yourself that by joining through your referral, they can often start with more storage space than the standard free account offers. Plus, you might get extra space too. Lastly, follow up. Sometimes emails get lost, messages get missed, or life just gets in the way. A gentle reminder about the Dropbox invite can go a long way in making sure your friends join and you both reap the benefits. I hope this guide makes inviting someone to Dropbox a breeze for you. Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, Dropbox is a fantastic tool for sharing and storing files, and it's even better with friends and colleagues on board. Happy inviting!